What if I told you the thumbnail you just clicked on was made in under 1 minute using ChatGPT and a selfie? No Photoshop skills, no expensive tools, just one prompt, one photo, and boom, you've got a professional looking thumbnail that actually gets clicks. First, you need ChatGPT Plus. It's $20 a month, and with it, you get access to Sora, OpenAI's next level image generator. This is where all the thumbnail magic happens. Once you've got access, you're ready to start creating thumbnails like a pro, without hiring a designer or spending hours in Canva. Now, take a selfie. Yep, your face is going front and center. Make sure you're standing in a well-lit room, facing a plain white wall, and looking directly at the camera. No filters, no weird angles, just a clean, clear headshot. This will be the base image for all your thumbnails, and trust me, it's more than enough. Then, open ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Act as my YouTube thumbnail prompt expert. I'm making a video about AI tools. Give me 5 prompt ideas to generate eye-catching thumbnails with my selfie. Let's say your video is about 5 AI tools. ChatGPT will give you 5 killer ideas. Pick one, copy it, and move on to the next step. Inside ChatGPT, switch to Sora. Paste your prompt and upload the selfie you just took. Click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a thumbnail that looks like it was designed by a pro. If you don't love the first one, re-roll the same prompt and try again until something hits just right. But heads up, Sora generates images in a 3:2 aspect ratio. YouTube thumbnails need to be 16 by 9. Here's how to fix that. Open your image in Photoshop or an AI image editor with Generative Expand. Set the canvas to 1920 by 1080 and use the Generative Fill or Expand tool to stretch the background. Export as a JPEG, and boom, it's ready to upload. Need inspiration? Here are some thumbnail ideas that absolutely slap. For gaming, imagine turning yourself into a glitchy cyber samurai mid-battle with fire explosions in the background. For tech, you're holding a transparent iPhone 20 while a glowing AI hologram shoots into the air. For finance, it's you throwing stacks of cash off a rooftop with the words 100K in 30 days screaming across the screen. For reaction content, you're mid-gasp as an alien DJ spins tracks in a UFO while emojis fly around your face. And for fitness, do a dramatic before and after split screen. Day 1, you're sobbing into a pizza. Day 30, you've got lightning abs and motivational vibes. Just grab ChatGPT Plus, snap a selfie, and let the AI do the magic. If this blew your mind, smash that like button. Drop a comment that says thumbnail, and I'll send you the exact prompt I used in this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more insane AI tricks that'll make your content pop off. I'll see you in the next one, legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.